Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Traders Destination. Before you start watching this video, please read through the disclaimer that is presented in front of you. Neither of the core team members of Traders Destination channel are SEBI registered advisors, and whatever we share over here are basis our observation and learning only. If you want to have access to the books, the free materials that we have with us, please be a part of our Traders Destination channel in Telegram, where we have all the content available for you for free. So friends, this video is about two cool features that is available in FYERS platform. One is about the continuous futures chart for all segments, and the second one is about the 30-day challenge program which is available in FYERS. So to talk about that, let me take you straight away to the FYERS platform so that you can understand what I am actually talking about. Okay. So guys, here is the trading platform for you, which is a trading view platform that FYERS uses. And in this platform, this interesting feature that is available, which is provided by FYERS, is you'll be able to see running contract as well as the next 2 months contract, as well as what you will also be able to see is the values, the charts of the running contract of the specific period of time which was running in the past. What I mean to say is, say for example, Bank Nifty is loaded in front of you. Bank Nifty, okay, I'll just show you Bank Nifty March contract. So this is the Bank Nifty March contract that is in front of you. If you want to see that what had happened to this script in like maybe in the last few months, you will be able to see that as well. I'm just converting it into a day chart so that you can see that as you scroll through towards the left hand side, you will be able to see all the data. See, it's available from, this is a starting point, which is January 2018. Starting Jan 2018 till date, today is 3rd of March, sorry, 9th of March, 11th of March is gone, 2019, you have all this running data. Okay, so this helps you in multiple ways, because whenever you follow any strategy, especially in futures, and whenever you feel like backtesting it for whatever period of time, you will get that scope to do it. Okay, say for example, I am backtesting some strategy in a 15 minutes chart in Bank Nifty or any of the futures contract, and if I want to do it for like last 6 months, that option is actually practically not available with me. But by going by this method, if you are being a part of FYERS, if you're being a part of Traders Destination channel, and if you register yourself in FYERS, you will be able to see this kind of a rolling chart for last up to 1 year, which will help you in multiple ways in analyzing the chart and making your own strategies. So that's one of the cool feature that I was discussing. And the next thing that is right in front of you at the center on top, this is called 30-day challenge. Right, the moment you click on this 30-day challenge, it will take you to this page, and all you have to do is you have to click on start challenge. The moment you start a challenge, the status over here will show as active, and if you remain profitable for 30 trading days, whatever is your brokerage will be passed back to you. By that I mean, brokerage doesn't mean the complete amount. It means that, for example, if you are trading in one lot of Bank Nifty, approximately 160-170 rupees of brokerage will be charged to you, and basis that the brokerage is of 20 plus 20, 40 rupees only. Remaining are the exchange charges, government taxes, STT and all that. Okay, so that you will definitely not get. What you will get back is the brokerage amount. So you can activate this this challenge for you all. It's interesting because if you do that, you will be not only getting the brokerage back, but you will be also getting this kind of interesting certificate at the end of the winning period. Fine, so that's exactly what I wanted to discuss about in this video. You all know about Traders Destination. We have several successful strategies which are launched. We are a beginner. We are a new channel with the age of less than 1 year. In the month of April, we will be completing our first anniversary in this world of YouTube. And in this journey, we had also introduced one course. The name of this course is the Futuristic Beginner Workshop. This has become quite a successful workshop because tomorrow, that is 10th of March, we will be running our 7th batch of this workshop. And if you want to be a part of this training, if you know somebody who would be interested to be a part of this training, Please feel free to share this with your friends, families, and colleagues, and ask people who can join us here, which can help them knowing more in depth about the market. In this training, we talk about trading psychology. We share various tricks in which you can maximize your profit. We share various techniques to trail your stop loss and minimize your SLs, and we talk about money management. The cost of this course is 2999, and if you are an army personnel or a police personnel, we give you a discount of 26%, and if you are a person with disability, we give you a 50% discount. That's all, friends. Have a lovely weekend. Wish you all happy learning and happy trading.